fine. Um, so what we do is, so I mean, this is some basic stuff, right? Here
Yeah.
we have option to format. Okay, so you can choose
Okay.
which one to format. Do you want to format font or alignments or shading or borders, lines, and if you have other things like in charts, reference lines, drop lines, annotations, those kind of stuff, you can choose which one to format. Let us start with font. Okay. Now here I have option. This is worksheet level formatting. See, there are three options here. Once you choose font, there are three options: entire sheet, or rows, or columns. Okay,
Okay.
let us choose this one and say I want to resize it to 10. So you can change the font, you can bold it, you can apply italic just like how do we do in the Word. Okay, and you can choose different color for it like that, and you can format.
So this is for entire sheet.
Hmm?
Okay.
Sorry.
This is for entire sheet. We
Yeah.
selected sheet and we are doing
Yes,
this. Yeah.
yes, yes. Okay. Let's say there are totals. Okay. Let's say totals. There are totals. So you want to apply different font for total or different color. You can.
Yeah. So okay, I understand you are really bad at formatting. The totals can be darker color and the other pane can be lighter color.
Yeah, yeah. You can choose colors as per your wish. Okay.
Okay. So yeah. So here in total we got pane and we got header in the left pan.
Yeah, yeah.
So
So
what is that?
means these values.
Hello, Sudhi?
Yeah, yeah.
Hello?
Hello, hello.
Hello?
Yeah, yeah.
Hello? Okay. Yeah, I'm getting your voice now. Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, I was not getting your voice.
Okay,
It's okay now. You can tell me.
okay. See, I mean, pen means these values, header means this one. Okay? Hello?
Yeah. So here, pane means which values?
Pen means all the values.
That's the grand total.
Yeah. So in grand total, we have pen and header, right?
Not in the grand total. Not in the grand total. In the just total, normal
Just total.
total.
This is.
Okay, that is in the subcategory. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay?
And what are the headers? Books and everything, or the total is the header for that?
Hmm.
Okay, total is the header. Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Like this. So you can change however you want. Okay?
Okay.
And let us go for rows. When you go for rows, we do not have option to change these values. See, pen, this thing. Because either I apply that format in rows or columns, it is same, right? So for rows and column formatting, we do not have option to change these values, but you can change
Okay.
these totals and grand totals. Let's say here, for rows in grand total, I want to apply different color. Okay, see, for rows I
There
have
is a.
applied different color, but for column there is different color.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, for rows and columns, we have option to change only for totals and headers. For row headers, you can
Okay.
apply different format. For column headers,
Yeah. Please choose.
different formats.
Okay.
Okay.
So we are choosing row header. So all the category and the furniture are changing.
Hmm.
And even the total is also changing?
Which one? You can change it. Yes. See,
Total.
here we have applied different color and this one is different, right?
Yeah, not the subtotal, not the grand total.
Subtotal, yeah, you can change anything. Okay?
Nothing changed.
Change it, right?
Okay, now it changed.
Colors are getting changed, right? See.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay?
Okay, okay,
If you want to change header, you
okay,
okay?
okay. That's simple. Yeah.
Yeah. So for rows and columns, we cannot change these things. You understand why we cannot change these values? If I change row, if I apply this to row, it will apply all these things, right? For columns, I cannot apply different things again. It is font.
Oh, okay. Right, right, right.
Either it is row or column, we cannot distinguish that. Okay?
Yeah.
For rows and column, we can
With
apply
the
this,
same
this,
thing comes
yes,
in row and the same thing comes in column as
columns
well.
also.
So,
Exactly.
if,
Okay? Clear? Hello?
yes, clear.
Okay.
Yes.
Fine. Then we have other options. We can change alignment. Okay, what do you want to apply? Do you want to apply left alignment or right alignment or center? You can choose.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
you can change
Okay.
direction of the text.
Okay.
Okay, like this.
Okay.
Whether it is horizontal alignment and vertical alignment, you can choose whether it is upper or lower, like this.
Okay.
Okay, and if you have lengthy text, you can
Okay.
choose to wrap the text if you have lengthy text. Okay.
Okay. Just off it. How will you office supplies display? Nothing changed.
I mean, we are changing for this one, right? We're going to change for the headers. Oops. Okay. See,
For the office supplies.
see, in this case, subcategory. Oops. Where should I change this? Sub columns. Subcolumns. No. Where should I change this?
Nothing is changing.
Yeah, no, no, looking at it.
Maybe we can go to the columns and see.
No, no. In case of
You
sheet,
get the.
we have flexibility to change everything.
Okay, right.
Okay,
Now it
it is
changed.
changing this one, but why it is not changing the this one?
Subcategory.
Yeah, I did not choose anything, right?
Mm,
It is, it is how come? I choose a subcategory. No?
yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. No, no. Oops.
No difference.
Uh, I don't know. Maybe possibly there is some bug also. And but well, it is for wrapping this one, and we are choosing for entire.
Yeah.
It should change. Maybe there is some issue with it. I'm not sure.
Even if you don't close it, it should change because for office supplies, when we wrapped it, it changed.
Yeah, because it was getting this thing, right? So there was some missing text, right? So that is the reason it is. Okay, I'm not sure. You need to see that. Okay, that's fine. That is
Yeah, that's okay.
issue also.
That's not a major thing.
Hmm. Okay, so you can change the alignment. You can change the vertical alignment, horizontal alignment. Where do you want to? How do you want to show? And you can say direction of the text. Okay,
Yeah.
for just for totals, anything like this. Again, for rows and columns, this one is these values, or we cannot change for rows and columns independently. We should be able to change. We have to change only at the
Okay,
sheet level.
so can okay, just explain me what is this headers over there like above the sheet row and columns you got A and some symbol and some paint
This is
symbol.
this is alignment. This is
Okay, so
shading.
shading. Okay.
Let's say you want to apply some background shading. Okay,
That's right.
got it right.
Shade what did shade happen?
See background color. It is,
Did anything get shaded?
see.
Okay. Ah, pink. Okay, right.
Okay, so this one
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
is for borders. Let's
Ah,
say
yeah.
you want to apply borders. See, there are some borders applied.
There are borders applied.
Yeah,
Nothing is applied.
you cannot notice this.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay,
Just like that. Ah, yeah. Now I can. This.
okay,
Okay, right.
right. And then it is for lines, grid lines, axis lines, this kind of stuff. Okay, if you have lines on
Trend lines,
trend
reference
lines.
lines, block lines, axis rules.
Okay, when we
What is axis rules? Axis sticks.
axis, we have axis, right? We will discuss that while discussing axis. Okay,
Okay.
so let's go through shading. We have something to do here, most commonly used thing. So here, what I have is I have applied shading. Okay, here I have applied shading for alternate rows, right? So this is why
Yeah.
we usually apply. But what I want to do is I want to apply same color for all the rows within a category, not within a, say I want to apply shading this way.
Yeah.
Now for each alternate row we are applying different color, right? Alternate colors, right?
Yes. So
But
how do we apply for? I don't want to apply for alternate ones. I want to apply for a whole sheet. How do I do that?
if you want to apply for whole sheet, uh, see somewhere here, row band, row banding, no, yeah, band set.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, right.
see, now what I am doing is in this case level. I am treating each
Okay.
category as a row now.
Okay.
Okay,
So it's applying the same color for furniture and technology in the background.
yeah, yeah, it is
So
applying.
how do I apply different colors?
No, you cannot apply different colors there. You have to, I mean, here it is shading
Okay.
is alternate colors only.
Okay.
Okay, so you can choose whether you want to apply this shading for alternate rows, or you can choose, let's say, see, for two rows we are applying same color now. For 3 rows, I am applying same color
Mm.
like this.
Mm.
Okay,
But this control is not completely in our hands. We can't write like 1 and 2, and we can't do that manipulations.
which one?
It would have been a bit easy, like if we in the band size, if we could write like I want to alternate row shading, I should write 1. If I'm writing 0, then it should like shade everything. If I'm writing 2, then after 2 rows, two rows should be shaded in the same way.
Oh,
That would have been a bit easy.
I think this is easier because instead of using keyboard, you can just use mouse for this, right?
Using keyboard is easier.
Of course, maybe it depends upon individual. Most commonly thing is user. I mean, using mouse is easy. Okay, so
Mhm.
you can choose
Okay.
these things whether you want to apply at a category level shading or at a subcategory level shading. If you have more values, more fields here, you will have more levels here. Okay,
Okay.
fine.
Okay.
So, and another thing is, if you want to apply different shading for totals, you can apply different shading for totals and different shading for grand totals.
Okay.
Okay. So, and again here at a row level also, you can change this. For totals, you can apply on a row, you can apply different color. On a column, you can apply different color.
Okay.
Okay. Mm, okay. See. Right? Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So grand total it is applying. And grand total, how is it? Okay, in the row level we are changing, so that's why it is changing.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay. So that's how simply you can change in the column level also. Okay.
Okay.
And the same formatting, if you want to apply different colors, different banding for different this thing, you can apply for columns also. Okay, let us clear up for rows. Okay,
Yeah.
you can change it for 2 rows or 3 rows like this. Three, sorry, columns.
Columns.
Okay,
Yeah.
so I mean this is one of the most commonly used feature. Not this one, whether it is uh, rows or something like this, and we will choose the level like this, whether it is for category level or subcategory level, or it depends upon the field whichever we use. Okay,
Okay.
I'm very much familiar with this. That is the only thing I use.
Hello?
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Which one, sorry?
this is the feature I use most frequently, nothing else.
Which feature?
This shading,
Row banding?
yeah, shading feature. Shading for
Okay.
room. This is what I changed, nothing else. Okay, and
Okay.
you have options to change the this thing
Borders.
borders. Okay, for totals, different borders like this. Okay, and if you have
Okay.
these things for row level also, you can change column level also. You can change here. It allows to change the row level borders and column level borders differently.
Okay.
Mm, is it clear?
It seems to be simple, but it is complicated.
Yeah, it is simple only, but it needs some patience and some creativity, some artistic mentality. Okay,
Mm.
you need to spend good amount of time in choosing colors and all. Again,
Probably client will go to the presentation. He would love to see something with a good presentation.
yeah, yeah, that's where it is tough for me. So for this thing, we will discuss later while discussing for charts. Okay, and
What is that?
this thing for lines, for individual lines, row, reference lines, drop lines.
Okay, okay.
Okay,
Zero line, grid line.
okay.
Okay.
Then we have option to change any formatting for individual fields also. Okay, let's see how. Let's say now I choose a category. Okay, now I want to change the font for this.
Yeah.
Okay, see,
Nothing has changed.
it has changed, right? It is a green color. See, it will,
Which is green color now?
yeah, category value.
Oh, we selected category.
Yeah, I choose it
Okay.
category, right? See, format category.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
Okay,
Font alignment, shading, and then
so you can choose an individual field
total.
and you can apply formatting.
Okay, so we can change the label also for the totals and
Yeah,
grand total.
exactly.
We can write like subcategory total or something like that.
Hmm. Okay, and then see, we have also option to format the numbers. I can change it to something. See, now I want four decimals.
Yeah.
I can change. I can select the particular measure. Let's say sometimes what happens, we will have both sales and sales in dollars and share in percentages. So what we can do, we
Yeah.
can choose one thing in dollars currency and some other thing in percentage.
Where is currency? Where? Okay, cost currency. We got there. Okay.
Okay, and you have a lot of options here. See, if I choose India, then it is showing rupee symbol instead of dollar symbol.
Ah, right.
If it is something else, it will show the corresponding this thing. Uh, Let us choose Chinese
UK
yen. Yeah, there is UK.
pounds.
Okay, I think
Down.
is it there? No,
Yeah, I just saw.
where it is? I think
Yes.
it will be great.
WEL. WEL.
Huh?
WEL. WEL. You go to the W.
Welsh.
Yeah.
What is it?
WEL. Yeah. I don't know. It says United Kingdom. But nothing changed. Oh, it changed.
Yeah, it changed, but I don't know what it is.
Hmm. Yeah, it's pounds.
Hmm. Let's say you want to show in Telugu. Oh, okay. Usually it will show in if you choose this, it will show in Telugu like Ru. I think
Hmm.
yeah, I faced this problem in some other system also. I think uh, maybe version difference or something like that, or maybe something else.
Tamil?
It might be some version difference also. If I what happens is if I choose Telugu, it will show in Telugu letters.
Oh.
Yeah, if I choose in Tamil, it will show in Tamil also, like that.
Mhm. No, it's not changing.
Yeah,
It's the
maybe you
same.
can try it your end. It even I am not sure why it is not showing here.
I have the same version as yours.
No, 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 no. It is possible that for some other reason. I don't know what is the reason. Even I found it in different people's in different this thing.
Okay.
Okay, try it once. If it works for you, it is good, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you can choose the currency based on your local. Okay,
Okay.
fine. So and also what you can choose is you can choose whether it is percentages or it is a scientific number or you can customize it however you want. Okay,
Okay.
you can customize the currency format, everything. If say if there are negative numbers or how you want to show negative values, you can show by enclosing with parentheses like that, or something negative value at the end, the negative symbol at the end like that. Okay,
Yeah.
so you can.
So what do you prefix and suffix?
Hmm?
What can you prefix and suffix?
So for this number, yeah. So you can say
Yeah.
negative symbol as a prefix or suffix.
Okay, okay. Just the symbol to be prefix or
Yeah.
suffix.
Okay. And you can I mean these are most common anyway. You can change for grand totals. You can have different format if you would like to do. And another thing is let's let me show you that we have standard custom number and units you can choose. Let's say units are in terms of k thousands. Okay, and for grand totals I can have
Oh, yeah.
different thing. Where is that? Yeah, for grand total I can show
Okay.
in
So
millions.
like liters or kilos or
Yeah,
yeah,
millions.
it can be weight or it can be
Hmm. Not kilo, it is thousand.
okay. So you can put like
Thousand,
kilo and
it is in millions, so I can
okay.
choose. Okay.
Okay, okay, thousands. So in the prefix and suffix, in the suffix we can like use liters or
Yeah, we
something like
can
that, or
write our own
can't we?
thing here. Say you want to say
Suffix.
something like this.
Hello?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Hello.
yeah, hello?
Yeah. Hello.
Yes, Sudhir.
See here, if I prefix it, I can show it as RS. Hello,
Where?
right?
Where? Where is
See,
that?
it is.
No, I did not get any change.
See,
It's still K.
at my cursor.
Yeah.
See at my cursor. I changed only for total.
Okay. Okay, it is showing M M M M.
No, no, RS.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay. Prefix RS. Okay. Right, right, right.
Okay. And suffix
Yeah,
same for
got it.
Arabic people they will
And M is
suffix
million.
it, right?
Okay.
They will use suffix. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Fine.
Okay. Yeah.
So likewise, you can format individual measure. If you have more measures, you can apply different format for different measures. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Cool. So yeah, not only that, here you have option to go to any option directly from here itself. You need not go to font or change this. You can directly choose alignment or shading here. Okay, or borders, anything. Okay,
Okay.
fine. Then we have these reference lines, drop lines, those things. Let us go through that.
Okay.
Hmm. So let us add a reference line, average line. So I want to format this. So here you can change the format. Okay, you can apply any color, or you can change it to dotted or anything. Okay, or you can choose more things. What is this? Reference bands and distribution? Okay, if you have that one, bands and
So we need to go to the analytics pane. We need to go to the analytics pane. We need to select the average, totals and average, and then if we come here, we can see the reference and everything.
yeah, once you have a reference line here, we can format all those stuff here. Okay.
Okay.
So if you want to change for, we have different things, right? Not only reference lines, we have bands and distributions, we have box plot, box and whisker plot, those kind of stuff, right? We can change each and everything. We can format, we can choose different colors. We also have option to change the colors individually there, right? For box and whisker plot,
Yeah.
I can change colors of fill color, what should be the fill color, or how it should be above
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
below, those kind of stuff, right? And
Yes.
you can change it here also. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
fine. Then okay, then if you have legends, filters, those kind of stuff also, you can format. Let me show you. Okay, see, I have legend here. I can format this legend also. Okay, so now what I will do, I will uh, see, I am changing the title. I have formatted the title, and I'm changing the font. Okay, I can change the shading of it like this, and I can apply different borders. Okay, hello,
Yeah.
think border. Okay,
Yes, Sudhir.
okay. Why it is not changing the border? I don't know. I don't know where does it make sense to change the border also.
In Legends, I don't think it could.
Hmm?
Yeah, where is the border to change?
Yeah, that's what even I'm not able to figure it out. I don't know how does it make sense to change this border also. Anyway, it is silly.
Perhaps it is shown. Yeah, perhaps it is shown in the like dashboards or something where you get on the side. At that time, maybe it may
Make,
make some sense there.
yeah, let's see. Okay, so you can format individual this thing also, all the legends. But we can format is we can apply same format for all the legends. We cannot apply different formats for different legends. Okay, that is one limitation.
Like
Where
in one sheet, we are doing this formatting, right?
yeah, in one sheet only. For
So,
this sheet, let's say
okay,
if you
okay,
have another legend for size, okay, then you cannot apply
okay.
different format. All the thing will be same. And let's take filters. Region.
Okay, if you take size, maybe the shape can get, maybe the border can get different.
Let me show you for filters. You can change format for
Okay,
filters, and you can apply. See, if you change, it will be affected for all the filters. Okay, you cannot
hello?
change. Yeah, hello.
Yeah,
Yeah,
sorry, what were you saying?
if you apply format filter, it will change a filter for, I mean, format for all the filters, not just for one filter, even for legends also, like that only. You can choose here. You can here also you have option to format the filter, but still it will change for all the stuff. See, I am choosing format filter only
Okay,
for region, but still it will change for everything. all the filters. Same with legends also. Okay. Hello.
Okay. Format filter.
For these,
Yep, yeah.
yeah, for these parts, it will not allow to format independently for each thing. It doesn't make sense too. That is the reason they are applying a uniform format. Okay, it looks very odd if I apply different
Okay.
format for region and different format for subcategory, right? So they are not
Yes.
allowing it. Okay,
Okay, that's good.
yeah. Why are you laughing? It is already odd. You are saying.
No, not like that. They did a good thing by not allowing others. People would have tried horrible colors.
Okay. So another thing, you can format the cell size. I want to say taller or wider like this. Okay, you can choose bigger
Sorry?
cell size. Cell
Where did you choose the cell size?
format, cell size.
It's still format filters.
Yeah, yeah. For not filters, format menu. Hello.
It is showing format filters on the left pane.
Oh,
Hello?
yeah. Maybe it is. It did not hide it. Anyway, it doesn't do with anything. See here, I can directly choose format and say cell size and say taller or shorter like this. Oops.
Okay.
Okay, and I can choose square cells or I can choose text cells like this.
Taller.
Hmm. Okay, and
Okay, wider,
change
bigger, smaller, square cell.
taller, shorter, wider, narrower, bigger, smaller like this. Okay, and
Okay.
Tableau supports
Text.
by default three different themes. This is default theme, and say if I apply modern theme, I think I have already spoiled it. Let me copy this. Okay, and if you want to clear the format for entire worksheet, you can say clear formatting. Okay, now I have different themes: default, modern, and classic. Okay, these are these are the
Yeah.
basic themes Tableau provides. You can you
Okay.
can choose any theme and start customizing it. Okay,
Okay.
fine. And the most and simplest and easy thing is copy formatting. Okay, now what I will do, I will say copy formatting, and I will go here and I will say paste formatting, and this is my favorite.
Oh,
I will copy,
copy paste.
yeah, I will copy previous worksheets format and paste it here.
Some other format.
Yeah, so this is my favorite feature. I know this feature very well. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay.
Copy and paste.
Yeah.
Okay, so when we are pasting and copying and pasting the format, the whole like you can't copy and paste like okay, here you got text. What do you say? Text chart. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
but in some other sheet you got the bar charts. You can't copy and paste the same format over
No,
there, right?
no, you cannot. It doesn't make sense, right?
Only the same charts. Yeah, only the same charts are being able to
Hmm.
have the same formatting.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. And formatting is only on these, what do you say, these, what do you say, text charts?
No, no,
Or you can apply formatting on even these
we can apply formatting on charts also. That's what we are applying formatting on this reference lines, all those things, right?
bar chart.
Yeah, bar
Yeah.
chart.
Yeah, yeah.
You can
But not as wide.
hmm?
We don't have so much wide options except like the drop lines and reference lines. We don't have much formatting to be done in bar charts and
You can
other
change,
charts.
you
But
can
in
change
text
that.
charts, you have
See, you can change shading.
Oh, here also you
Here
can do all
also you
that
can.
almost. Okay,
Okay.
okay.
You can apply different formats for total. If you have total, it will have this thing, right? See, analysis.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay.
Okay. You can choose to uh,
Analysis
have a different
total.
format for total. Okay. See,
Where is the total? Okay, grand total. Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Okay,
Okay.
okay. Yeah.
Clear, right?
Yes.
Uh, Fine. So that way you can choose anything. The titles, if you have titles, you can choose titles, and annotations, you can choose annotations. And if you have any particular field labels, see. So for all the field labels, you can apply a formatting. Okay?
Field labels.
Yeah, these things.
What does that mean?
Category, subcategory, region, this stuff.
Region. Okay, the region central, east, and those things
No,
doesn't
those
come
are
in.
not labels. Those are values, right?
Okay, region values. Right.
Field. These are fields, right? Category, subcategory, and region are fields.
Yes.
These
Region or
are
fields.
values,
Okay.
right? Field values.
Yeah, values.
Yeah.
Oh, right.
So you can choose
But these are again labels for some other content.
what some other content.
Like say for the central region,
Uh-huh.
there is some content. So that central is also kind of a label, but that's not considered because
That
it's
is
not the main.
that is header.
Yeah. Okay.
These are headers.
All right. These are headers, labels. Okay.
Labels, field labels. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Fine. So like that you can apply different formats for this. And you can also apply formatting for dashboards also. Okay, now what you will say, you can apply format dashboard, and again you have various options here. Okay, you can choose any background shading for this, and if you have any default text you can apply that. Okay, and alignment center
So how did you get this format dashboard? Where did you get?
format,
Where did
and
you
see
get
that
that?
here.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, and let's say you want to format the title of the dashboard. Here we don't have the title. Let's say show title. Now I can say format dashboard. Okay, alignment left align. Okay, shading you can apply for title, different shadings, and dashboard subtitles you can change.
Where is subtitle?
These things, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, like that.
Now I'm able to see where you're shading,
Hmm?
found shading and all.
Sorry.
Now I got the shading where you're doing. You're telling at one time and the screen is displaying at some other time.
Oh, is there lag?
Like yes.
Oh, okay.
Now I got the shading. Okay.
Okay, okay. Fine. Okay.
And I did not even get into. Okay, text objects here coloring. Text objects means.
We have text objects here, right, in the dashboard.
Okay, these are the numbers are the text objects.
Not numbers. We can choose some text objects, right? Where is that? I can have, okay, of course, yeah. See, I can have text objects in the dashboard, right? We discussed about text and blank, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one. Okay.
And if you say, if you want to make it floating, you can say floating, and
Yeah.
you can format all the text objects. header. Okay,
Okay.
clear?
Yes, clear.
Okay. And if you have a story the same way, you can format a story also.
Story.
Okay.
Okay.
And say format story, you have various options. You have story for entire story shading and formatting the story title alone. See, I want to place it at the center and the navigations, these navigations. I want to apply formatting for these navigators. Okay, and descriptions. We have description this thing, right? So you want to apply formatting for that. You can apply formatting for all the story objects, various story objects. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. So that is about formatting. All the various things
Nothing much to
apply formatting. Fine. So we have discussed about.
just try something, it will get into something.
Okay. So what street level formatting we have discussed? We have discussed formatting specific parts of the view, formatting legends, formatting filters, various things, and how we have discussed about how do we format numbers. We can apply currency or we can apply how many decimals I want, like that. And we need to discuss about editing axis. We'll discuss that. So see, now what I have is, let us take category. Oops. Um, region. Okay, fine. Now I have on the. I will click on the axis,
Small multiples.
yeah, and say edit axis. Okay, here I have different options to edit the axis. See, here all the axes are same, right? 0k, 50k, 100k, 0k, 52k, 50k, 100k. Okay, if but it doesn't make sense to have same axis for all the regions, right? See, by for each region we have different
Why
values.
doesn't it make sense to have same axis?
See, in this case, all the values are
It
less than 50k for south region, right? So all this space got wasted, right? So if you want to
okay.
have independent access for different things, see, for south it is from 0 to 60k, for east it is 0 to 100k, for central it is 0 to 80k, right?
Okay.
So now space is used effectively. Otherwise these values are very small, right? If you don't have if you have uniform y-axis, see, all the space got wasted and these values are we cannot even readable.
So when you're choosing automatic, it is choosing uniform by default.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So if you're choosing uniform also, it is uniform again.
Yeah. So at automatic, it need not be uniform all the times. It can be independent access also sometimes. So it depends. How does Tableau? It has some algorithm, so it will choose however it wants. I mean, it depends. It can be independent access or uniform access. Okay.
Okay.
And if you want to have a fixed access, you can choose. What I will choose is 200. So for all of these things, we have 0 to 200. So if you want to apply a fixed this thing, you can fix it. Okay,
Fixed and 200. Okay.
clear?
Okay, right.
And if you want,
So why do you want to fix it? Does the client tell us to fix or we do it on our own?
yeah, yeah, sometimes for some things we may need to fix the access. So maybe it can be client requirement
So
also.
we can choose uniform access, right? Why do we want to fix the access?
No, uniform access considers the values in the this thing pane. Let's say you don't want to
Yeah.
consider the values in the pane and you want to choose them. You want to fix the axis irrespective of the values in the pane.
So when we are choosing, like you choose 200K, but if you're choosing like can we choose something that is below the top bar, top value,
Yeah,
like 50K? If I want to choose only 50K.
you can.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
it allows, but whether it makes sense or not,
It doesn't
we
make
have to,
sense.
yeah, we have to be okay.
Okay.
Fine. So those are the various options we have, and you have reversed, okay, and you have logarithmic also for logarithmic metrics. Okay,
What is logarithmic?
there will be some metrics which will be computed using logarithmic values. Okay, of course, even I did not
Okay.
use any logarithmic metrics. If you have logarithmic metrics, you can choose them. Choose the scale as logarithmic.
Okay.
You know log values, right?
Yeah, something you studied in school.
Hmm. That's all. Okay,
Okay.
clear. And let's say you want to start from zero or not. You can choose. So access doesn't start from zero here.
Okay.
If you say include zero, it will start from zero. All that. And another thing
Okay.
is tick marks. See, now I have intervals at different intervals, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Now what I will choose is uh, here I will choose. Let me take individual thing. That will be better. Okay. Now edit axis and tick marks. And now what I will say here we have interval of 50, right? So what I will do, I will say interval of 100. Okay. Hello.
Yes, Sudhir, I'm able to hear you, but the screen is like buffering late, so I'm not able to see. I'm waiting for the screen to buffer and come up.
Okay.
Okay. You choose every 100, then 75,
Yeah. So the axis,
then
these tick marks will be appeared at that interval, whatever we will choose. Okay.
okay.
Let's say,
Tick mark is the interval.
hmm. Okay.
Okay, okay.
And it is 100 here. And let's say the origin is something else, not the zero. You can choose the origin starting point. See, okay,
Okay.
the origin starts from 50K now. Interval is 100, 50, 150, right?
Yeah,
And you
right.
can also choose minor tick marks. Okay, it is 10,000. I have these minor tick marks.
Why do you want to choose minor? You can give everything in
No,
one thing, right?
see, for major tick marks, I have these labels also. For
Okay,
minor
okay,
tick
okay.
marks, I won't have labels. If I show labels for everything, it will not be readable, right?
Yeah.
So that is the reason for major tick marks we will have these things labels, and for minor tick marks we will just have tick marks, so you can still count it.
Okay.
Okay, so like that. Fine, and you can choose this one also. Let me make it 25. Okay, and I will say, see here it is starting at 25k, right? Minor tick mark.
Yeah.
I can say start at 10k. See, now the minor tick mark started at 10k, then 50k interval. Sorry, 25k interval. It is 35k, like this. So I can change where does the tick mark should origin, whether it is minor tick mark or major tick mark. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So that is about editing a axis, and we can customize these values. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Fine. Any doubts?
No.
Simple, right? Very simple.
Yeah. Just we need to know where the options are, so that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Or which options, like where we need to go. Like we want to format something, but we are just